All right, let's start assembling this engine. Hang on. I'm a bit lost. There are so many parts. Let me use the mic. What does an alternator look like? Great. Okay, let's select that to bring it to position. Awesome. I remember the professor saying something about turbo. Is there something here that has turbo? Ah yes, that is what the turbocharger is. Let's select that. Nice.
Okay, let's review the orthopedic room equipment in preparation for the exam. Let's see if I can remember the C-arm positions. C-arm to cranial. Can we move the C-arm to caudal? Okay. Can I move the C-arm to posterior? What about if I move the C-arm to inferior? Nice.